How to download Google Play Store application on Windows 11. So for that, first of all, you have to launch or open the Microsoft Edge in your Windows 11. And here search for Play Store. Here scroll down a bit, then click on this link that says Google Play. Then you'll be taken into the web page of Google Play. Once you're here, navigate to top right corner and then click on three dot icon. From this menu box, click on Apps, then click on Install the site as an app. Then click on Install. Once the installation is complete, you will have this pop-up menu in your interface. Here, you can choose Create Desktop Shortcut and click on Allow. Now once you have done that, you can close this and close the Microsoft Edge. And there you can see you have successfully installed Google Play Store application in your Windows 11. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.